What is going on, everyone? Crypto Underground is back with a completely new project that I'm buying in right now. I'm gonna tell you why that is the case, guys, and also why that this one here is currently ranked #1 in the top play-to-earn crypto games right now. So is it a good hidden gem right now to invest into this new coin before it is getting out on exchanges or not? We're gonna reveal that in this video, guys. So welcome everyone. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel. As you can see, our crypto family is growing every day. Welcome on board. This is Crypto Underground. I'm of course no financial advisor. I'm just here to entertain you. I'm just showing you always what I'm buying, what I'm selling, what I'm trading here in the crypto space, and of course what kind of new projects that I'm buying in. I like to buy low market cap coins, guys. Of course I'm trading also Bitcoin and tier 1 coins on major exchanges like Bybit, Binance, and so on. Sign up to those exchanges with my links to get extra deposit bonuses, and of course check out other tools that you can use here in the crypto space. And of course, if you want to check out the newest coins that I'm buying up before they're getting launched on exchanges, you're gonna find the complete list here in the video description. And one of them I added new, guys, is this meme clip. I'm gonna put the link right here at the top so you cannot miss it out, guys. And this link will forward you to the main website of meme clip. And this is going to be a completely new project and token which is launching new crypto games, and you can collect on all of those crypto games different coins, and they're all going to be the native token meme clip here that you can also right now invest directly here on the website if you want. You can buy directly into the coin during the pre-market phase. This is the stage 1, guys. I'm very bullish about this new crypto game platform, and even stake it for 1450%. So this is really something for everyone that wants to buy the coin and also stake it until launch. So we're gonna accumulate more and more free coins, and at the same time you can of course also just play the game even without the need of buying those coins, play those games and also earn the coins in the game. And later on, once they're launching, you can of course then claim the coins from the game into your DeFi wallet and basically trade the coins. And this, in my opinion, is the future of gaming, guys. And you can see that meme clip is in a very good position because they're bringing out a lot of crypto games. One of them is already out, Subway Meme Rush, already on this game here. You can download it already now on your mobile phone and play the game and earn coins. This is what you can do. The next one will be Pepe's Pool Party, which is of course also based on a very popular meme coin, and more to come, of course. Also Doge Kart will be a crazy one to play, in my opinion, because this one should be similar to Mario Kart on Nintendo Switch or Mario World on Nintendo Switch 2. So we're gonna have the same hype maybe also here in the crypto space with Doge Kart. Who knows that? Who knows what the future will bring, guys? But I like to buy into those new coins because you can see that also this one here is about to launch with a limited supply. And also if this crypto gaming is going to be also very popular, then of course we can expect that also this coin here has great upside potential and also can be used in the future. Check out the website, guys. Also here, even without the need of buying into the coin, you can of course get updates every day on the project. You can follow their social media platforms. You can also every day open up here the fortune quickie and basically get every day a nice fortune sentence for you guys. Today it is Degens made Doge fly, Degens turned Pepe viral, now the real Degens are shilling M clip. So meme clip, clip it before it's mainstream. So that means that of course every early investor should be rewarded, of course, whenever he's investing very early. There are even some NFTs available then here on the platform as well. So over on OpenSea with a quite high floor price then. So let's see if this NFT hype is getting back. But you can see that meme clip is basically positioning itself on a very good spot and covering everything here in the crypto space. If you also want to buy with me, guys, the link is in the video description right here. I'm gonna put the link to meme clip right here at the top. And you know that I'm always looking out for the best new cryptos that are upcoming and of course also updating you on them. And this meme clip is of course now ranking #1 because it's a gaming meme coin, also powering an ecosystem featuring multiple casual play-to-earn games. And this one is focusing not only on one game but on different games. This one will bring out different games. The others that you can see here on the list often is just one game, but meme clip is basically always following the trend and meme coins, and that means that in the future you can expect different games, and this will of course fire up also the coin more and more, in my opinion. So if we are now in a multi-year bull run in the crypto space, you can expect that such new projects and such new coins should be of course great to invest as early as possible. Of course, no financial advice, no promises, guys. You never know what the future will bring, but of course if you are buying into a coin since stage 1 at the beginning of the pre-market phase, so way before the launch price and so on, then of course at least you are in a good position if this one is going to be like the next hype, the meme coin and play to earn game, like we have seen also in the past, like Hamster Combat, Dogs and so on. So if you want to get on board, connect the wallet. I use MetaMask normally, then click OK for the connection, and then you can see the coins that you're purchasing here right at the top. You see here you purchased meme clip coins. I bought already over 30,000. You can also buy and stake, of course. This is what I would do as long as the API is so high, because that brings you a lot of free coins until launch. You can select different chains and different coins like Bitcoin, Polygon, Ethereum, Solana, BNB and so on to invest into this one here, and then of course also stake it with 1450% API. Here on the top you can go to the staking tab, and then you're going to see the coins that you purchased. You can put also later on your coins into staking, of course, if you want. I have put all of my coins into the staking mechanism, and thanks to these high rewards, you can see how much I already got here. So my total rewards so far are like more than 10 times more the coins that I bought, because as long as the API is so high, this is because we are still in stage 1, not too many people already jumped on board. The API will reward you and bring you a lot of free coins. Important is that you just do the first step, that you have invested a bit into this coin, and then everything comes by itself, because you keep accumulating here free coins. You can play the game and get also free coins, and then at the end, once this one is launching, we're gonna see how high it can go. Of course, no one knows the future, we will see, but I like to buy into those new hyped coins that are upcoming during this phase of this bull run, guys, because I think that we're gonna see now a huge altcoin season, and that's why I'm watching out also for such new low market cap coins that are coming up. Only 60,000 has been raised here, guys, so this is really the beginning of a completely new token and a new play to earn game project. It is already seen in different crypto websites already, like Bitcoinist, CoinSpeaker, Coinpedia and so on. So take the chance, guys, and check it out. And if you're buying it with me, let me know that in the comment section, because I'm gonna update you of course as well on meme clip and also all other future meme coins and utility coins that I'm buying up right now. We are here to buy those low market cap coins, and this one here is definitely one that we can invest since day 1 and stake it for a very high API. So let's see what this one will bring, guys. I'm bullish, and of course also different crypto articles are talking bullish about this project, and that of course makes me confident that here we have also a project to keep for the long term. So that's it for now, guys. Crypto Underground, have a great Saturday, and tomorrow Sunday also we're gonna have a look into some other new upcoming cryptos and also altcoins. So stay tuned, be subscribed, welcome to our crypto family, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Crypto Underground over for now.